Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Caspa itself. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Looking at the broader market, massive amount of green, and I'm sure if you did watch my earlier updates, Pepe, whichever update that I brought before this one, again, you guys know what's happening with the broader market. But if you did not watch that, let's kind of discuss what we're looking at. So you are seeing Bitcoin. Forget about the altcoins going in green. You want to be looking at why the market is pumping. Look at it on the weekly time frame. You have seen Bitcoin bounce up about 14.8%. And again, by no means that is a small move. That is quite a large move. You are seeing the entire market reacting to that. So obviously, Bitcoin is sitting above $60,000 right now, actually above 62 to be specific. And of course, the entire market is reacting to that. But let's take it a step further and see what is happening with our good old friend Kaspa and how it's reacting to the market momentum. So up 4.1% on the daily time frame and up about 15% over the past 1 week. But let's take a look at what's happening with the price of Kaspa today. Before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So looking at the price, 17.7 cents, it's down about 0.6% in Bitcoin comparative. And, don't get too shocked at that fact. If you're looking at this and looking at the dominance, dominance actually going down in Bitcoin comparative, about 0.6% for CAS. I want you guys to realize, you're seeing Bitcoin dominance picking up along with the price of Bitcoin. So let's, realize that. Let's understand that before you start coming in the comments down below and say, oh well, it's down in BTC comparative. And I'm sure you guys are probably wondering, wait, are people actually like that? Believe it or not, yes, there are people that don't understand anything. They're just gonna come and say whatever's on their mind. I kind of respect it. Whatever's on your mind, say it, but sometimes you need to understand before you say something. But let's take it a step further and see what is happening. So obviously dominance going up, as mentioned to you guys. Bitcoin price is back above $60,000 to be exact. $62,456. Let's give it actually a refresh live to take a look at what's happening. So we're actually at $62,526 price point. But remember, still weekend. On the weekends, more manipulation than usual due to CME futures being closed. So what you need to be doing is being very cautious regardless, because look, we have seen similar things happen before. Obviously, this move is much bigger in terms of recovery, but remember what happened last time. You saw the retest, you saw the price going down to 58.39. We went all the way up to 63.6 and saw a massive fake out. You can see this for yourself. So in this case, have your risk strategy in place. Maybe have very sharp stop losses. That's what I would recommend. In case you do see the market turn around, because right now there's so much bullish sentiment in the market. A lot of people turning bullish. A lot of people having the FOMO feeling, and honestly, it could actually turn out to be that. As you guys know, I've been targeting that $64,000 to $65,000 as a confirmation level for myself, but still we got to be cautious as far as BTC is concerned, because you could see once again a little bit of a shakeout before we actually start heading towards the upside. But as far as Caspa is concerned, Caspa is looking amazing, and I'll tell you guys why. So first, what you want to be looking at is, where is the price of Caspa sitting at? So Caspa sitting in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, so almost in the 23.6 Fib zone, and all-time highs are very, very close around these levels. And if you want to put that into perspective, if you want to see that, you can see this for yourself. That is only a move of about 12.69%, barely anything for the price of CAS to actually head over to that 20 cents price point. But right now you're seeing a little bit of a lag, and the easiest way for me to understand that if there's a lag is to just take a look at in the Bitcoin comparative side of things. We're down about 0.6%, and that is because dominance is actually going up. So there's a little bit of a lag. You're seeing altcoins actually reacting in a positive way to the price of Bitcoin, and that is all due to Bitcoin going up. There's always a positive correlation in USD comparative, but if you're looking at it in the Bitcoin dominance comparatives, not dominance comparative. If you're looking at it in BTC comparatives, guess what happens? If dominance goes up and Bitcoin goes up, generally speaking, most coins will see a little bit of a lag against Bitcoin. So, we're obviously following the overall market momentum, but you're seeing a little bit of a lag But with that being said, of course, there's quite a bit of resistance around this range. But if we're able to break out of this resistance, I would not be shocked. I would not be shocked if Bitcoin reaches those targets that I'm giving myself for the Bitcoin price for confirmation levels. I don't what would I say? See, I'm losing words. I can't even speak. I can't even think of the words that I want to say. I wouldn't doubt that the price of Caspa will re-enter the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and it's looking more likely than ever actually that we actually do see that retest. Last time we saw that was actually in a beginning of this month where we saw that all-time high, believe it or not, and we did see a sharp drop. Exactly, I projected that drop. If you've been following my channel, if you watch the day-to-day updates, I projected that exact drop down to 14.68 cents, and if you took advantage of that, if you got in, you are up right now about 22%. So that's how I'm currently analyzing it. Pay very close attention to Bitcoin because this is that deciding factor. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. Love each and every one of you guys. If you want to see more Caspa updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.